Good morning, children. Welcome back. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am Rupal ma'am. So, children, do you remember what did we learn yesterday? We learned alphabet Q. Correct? So, now today we are going to revise alphabet Q with flashcards. Q for quilt. Q for quarter. Q for queen. Q for quill. Q for quail. Q for Q. And Q for question. Now we will do an activity. In this activity, here I have some dough, matlab gunda hua atta, black raisins, matlab kali kishmish, and some corn kernels, matlab makkai ke dane. I have made this Q with a dough, capital Q and small q, which we will decorate with raisins and corn. See children, I am putting these raisins on the capital Q to make it look attractive. What is the color of these raisins? Very good. It is black. Raisins are very good source of vitamins, and so it is a healthy food. Raisins में से हमें विटामिन्स मिलते हैं, इसलिए यह एक हेल्दी फूड है. देखो, ये हमारा कैपिटल क्यू रेडी हो गया. Now we will put these corn kernels on small q. What is the color of corn? Yes, it is yellow. So, one by one, we will put corn on this small cube. आप तो जानते ही हो कि कॉर्न एक हेल्दी फूड है ना बच्चों? टेस्टी टेस्टी कॉर्न चाट खाना पसंद है आपको? It is looking very beautiful. I hope you all enjoyed this activity. Now let's solve the worksheets. In the first worksheet, you had to match the correct alphabet to the given picture. So, let us see the solution of the worksheet by matching the correct alphabet to the given picture. A for ant, D for duck, F for flag, H for horse, J for jam, L for leaf, N for nose, P for peacock. In the second worksheet, which alphabet is this? Yes, Q. And which picture is this? It is a quilt. Quilt मतलब रज़ाई जो हम विंटर्स में यूज करते हैं. I have colored my quilt with different colors. मैंने अपनी क्विल्ट अलग अलग कलर से भरी है. So let's see yours. Wow! Great job, children. I hope, children, you all enjoyed learning alphabet Q. Okay, bye bye. See you soon.